So-You Photography, second generation photographers. Jungle Jim, Brother Paul. Give them a call at 818-271-9116 or www.souyophotography.com. They do all types of photography, from live entertainment, couples, weddings, conventions, people on location. Look at them. Beautiful shots. These guys are professionals, and they treat you not just as a pose, but as a true picture, like a rose. So give them a call or go to the website www.souyophotography.com. There's Jungle Jim himself right there, second guy to the left, with a couple celebrities, and Brother Paul as well, and that's the daddy. That's the big guy who started the whole thing, So-You Photography at 20th Century Fox. The dad was a still photographer and took care of his subjects. There's Jungle Jim. So come on down or give us a call. We look to hear from you very soon. Okay? They do all sorts of photography. 818-271-9116, So-You Photography. Second generation photographers at souyophotography.com. Customer friendly, and they do everything.
That's my past.